Hi, my name is Stephanie Schilter, and I'm one of the owners here at Schilter Family Farm. I own the farm with my husband Jeff and my mother-in-law Patty. My husband's grandfather came over from Switzerland in 1938, and he started farming here, dairy farming, and he raised his children here. And then my father-in-law was born and raised here, dairy farmed, and my husband dairy farmed here until 1997. In 1997, we sold our dairy herd and began the adventure of crop farming and agritourism. So that was our first year doing pumpkins. We've done now agritourism for 22 years. The first year we did pumpkin patch, we still had our dairy cows, and we kind of tested the waters, and we planted a field of orange. And all these people started showing up, and we thought, okay, I think this will work. And so the next year we sold our cows and just continued to grow and add crops and Christmas trees and other things to expand our seasons. At the end of the season, people always ask us, well, what do you do with all those pumpkins out there? And in reality, a lot of those pumpkins are rotten or have a bad spot. So what looks like sellable pumpkins out there in the field, a lot of them aren't sellable anymore. And we till those in. It actually composts into the soil and helps create organic matter to keep our soil really healthy and helps for the crops next year. We also have quite a few farmers that come and pick up like truckloads of pumpkins to feed to their cattle or their pigs. So they come right after we close and load up their trucks and haul them away to feed to other animals and livestock, which is also cool. And we actually have quite a few people who come out here and ask the first few days after we close if they can cut into the pumpkins and take pumpkin seeds, and they roast them and feed their families with them. So that's pretty cool too. My husband obviously grew up here throughout his whole life, and so did I. We both graduated from this area. We're raised here locally in Lacey and Olympia, and we want to continue to offer an awesome experience for the families here, for a great place for families to come and spend time together. But we also want to give back, because we have a lot of people that come here and patronize us and love coming here and making memories. So every year we choose a nonprofit organization that we feel strongly about, that we want to help support. This year we did a fundraiser for Ronald McDonald House of Seattle, or Western Washington, Alaska actually. And last year we did a fundraiser for ALS Association. So each year we pick something that means a lot to us personally and to our community, and we give back a portion of our proceeds for our admission gate to those organizations to help them and to help our community. And I think people see that and they appreciate that, because we do care about other people, not just ourselves, care about blessing the community, because they bless us. We experience so much joy. The amount of work is definitely worth it when you see the little kids come in and pet a pig or scratch a goat behind the ear, and they've never seen or even touched an animal before. We have so many people from everywhere, from Seattle to Gig Harbor to out in Pierce County, lots down in Centralia. I mean, people come from everywhere around here, and it's just so cool, especially when you see kids who don't get that opportunity to come and be outside and play, and just to see that is just so cool. We open up the day after Thanksgiving on Black Friday every year, and we're open 9 to dusk daily then, usually through around the 12th of December. I think it's so awesome that Jim's using his platform at Green Realty to focus on different people throughout our community. It helps keep our community tight and small. I mean, as our population in this area grows, it used to be we would go someplace and we'd always see somebody we know. Now it's not so much, because it's gotten a lot bigger. But keeping the focus on different families and different businesses around the community just really helps, I think, keep that sense of Olympia. We're still here, we all know, there's still those connections, and I think it's awesome that Jim is using his Green Realty to showcase that. That's pretty cool.